Barangay San Macario Sur for inviting us to be your judge for tonight. So, nahirapan po kaming anim sa pagja-judge at may kanya-kanya po kaming bet. So, hindi po unanimous yung mga decisions namin. Ayan. So, once again, Happy New Year and Happy Fiesta Barangay San Macario Sur. So, una ko po namin i-announce ang third placer. Ayan, so i-announce po muna namin ang consolation prizes. Ayan, so thank you so much and congratulations contestant number 9. Consolation prizes po. And also consolation prizes number 12, number 8, number 7, number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, and number 1. So yung 3 remaining, sila po yung maglalaban-laban for the third, second, and first placers. So congratulations everyone, you are all winners. Ayan, pictures muna sa ating mga okay na.
Yan yung kanina yung
consolation prizes. Together with our barangay officials of Barangay San Macario Sur. And together with Sir Raymond, our chairman for this year's fiesta. And of course, ang ating nagagandahang mga MC for tonight, our Master of Ceremony. Ma'am, join po kayo. So, meron po tayong 3 remaining contestant. We have contestant number 10, 11, and 6.